Hi everybody, my name is Scott Langford, Middle Class Bubba on YouTube, and I'm a I'm a new drone flyer, and I've got the Mavic 2 Pro, and one of the things I've noticed, and I also saw on some YouTube videos, that the landing gear is a little short if you have to land in the grass by some chance, other than the helipad. And sometimes even with the helipad is sitting on some tall grass, it would get down low enough that I was afraid that the props would hit the helipad surface. So I ordered these leg extensions from Amazon, and I'll show you what I ordered here if I can get it to come over. All right. Let's see here. There. Landing gear leg extended replacement with LED kit for DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom. Night flight by YANSHON. Anyway, I got it set up here. We'll go through a review and see what we got. Amazon bag. Don't need that. All right. All right, got some little poppy stuff here. Let's get this out of the way. All right. Do we have any instructions? Did not see any instructions. There's some kind of tape and some legs. Okay, 2 legs for one end of it. Some more legs. I have no idea what the tape is for. And 3 rubber bands. It looks like 2 clips. Let me check that bag and make sure there were no instructions in there. No instructions. So, I guess we're going to have to figure it out. Let's see here. What's in here? Okay, these are the little lights. Okay, not too bad. They're aluminum and small LED. No instructions in that. Another flashlight. No instructions in there. All right. Oh, there's another rubber band. I have no idea what the rubber bands are for. And this can't go that way. So I'm assuming that it has to snap in that way. Looks like this opens up. I don't know if you can see that or not. That opens up. This definitely can't go that way. It won't fit. So they engineered it to dummy proof it somewhat. So it has to go in like this. All right, well, let's get all this trash out of the way. Let's see here. Here's a Mavic 2 Pro. Let's see if we can't open it up. Fold it out. Fold it out. Fold it down. Down and down. All right. So let's see how that goes. All right, now these have got a clamp. And these look like they go on the front. So, and they're of that shape. Well, the only thing I might have concerns about is that the antennas are in those front legs. And it looks as if you're going to have to remove these when you're done flying. Let's see, does it go to that way? Or does it go? Can't very well go that way, the lights would point out. Let's see. Can't go that way. All right. Clip. This little sharp point goes to the outside of the leg, and then this clamp clips over. And when you look, when you spin these, you can direct these down or straight out. I wonder if those rubber bands are meant to hold those lights in place. I'm going to have to do some research because I have no idea what those rubber bands are for. Unless it's on the instructions. Let's go to the instructions. If I can find my way around on this thing. Night light. What about the landing gear extensions? Let me pull this up for you to look at me. All right. One sponge mat. No videos, no training on it. Typical questions. Well, I don't see anything that was helpful. Fastening rings, sponge mat, snap ring, landing gear, 4 fastening rings. Well, that seems just to be a pressure fitting. Okay. Let's uh-oh. Oh, see, that's just slips in and out. All right. Well, we got the legs on, right, boys and girls? That's a focus. All right. Maybe I put the battery in backwards. These are brand new. Oh, there went something. Faulty battery. Oh, there's a button on the back. There's a little button on the back. And there's a focus ring. Okay. I guess that makes it more intense. I have no idea what this rubber mat is. No instructions. Anyway, I've got the extension down. The manufacturer should probably provide some kind of instructions, and I'll double check to see what this sponge pad is for and all that. All right, well, it sets level. That's good. Let me. Well, boys and girls, that's the best I know to offer at this point. I'll do some research and see what these little rubber bands are for, and this little piece of pad here, and I'll add to this video. Okay, it's the next morning. Yesterday afternoon, when I made the video on the leg extenders, there was a piece of, let me change the video camera. There was this piece of black material here. Well, I looked at it closely this morning and there were cutouts in it. And those cutouts correspond to the bottom of these legs. So you just take and peel them out and line them up. And stick them down. Go ahead and do this other one. Everything. All right. So, but I did send an email to the manufacturer because I am not sure what these 4 rubber bands are. I can speculate that they go on these lights on either side of the clamp there to hold them in place due to vibrations during flight, because you can see they're kind of loose. They won't fit around the flashlight and into that mounting bracket because there's not enough clearance. So I'm not really sure what those are. Like I said, I have an email into the manufacturer. Hopefully they'll respond back, and if they do, I'll post an update. So, got rubberized landing legs, you got little flashlights on your drone. Okay. So, all right. Thanks again for watching. I hope this has been helpful to you. Learn from what I had to go through, and save some time and give you a head start on ordering these. The ones that I ordered are the, if I can pull them up, is crap. These extenders right here, landing gear, leg extender replacements. Let me put that on the screen for you. The leg extender, landing gear, leg extended replacement LED kit for DJI Mavic 2 Pro, Mavic 2 Zoom. They'll fit either one. I'm not sure what these rings are, and they have no description other than that they're retaining, some kind of retaining rings. So anyway, $14.39, and I'm a Prime member, so I got free shipping. Thanks a lot for watching. If you need to look at this again, I'll post it on my YouTube site, Middle Class Bubba. That's where I do safety training, toolbox safety topics, safety audit reports for construction. I do some leadership training videos on there as well. Also, you'll find, I'm a new drone pilot, so you'll find information as I learn. I'll post new videos of me trying to learn how to fly, or me learning how to fly, and these type of assessments on accessories for this particular model of drone. Once again, thanks a lot. Have a good day.